gals, welcome to my channel. Today we're opening my Ipsy bag, and pardon the hair, I heard there's a dry shampoo in here and I thought, oh, hair that needs to be shampooed. Perfect day to open the Ipsy bag. So stay tuned, we'll be right. Alright, let's get right to it. Let's open the bag. You know I hate long videos, so I'm Melanie Mills. If you haven't if you're new to my channel. And I'm over 40 obviously, and I love makeup and do-it-yourself and all amazing things, and I love my Ipsy bag. Okay, I got my hand on it. I'm feeling it. It's inside. There's nothing outside of the bag. It's all inside the bag. Okay. It's actually much cuter in person than like the sneak peek previews I've seen. It's really spongy feeling. It feels very sporty. A stray string here. Don't care. Alright, fun little bag. Feels great. And there's things inside. That's what we care about. So let's get right to it. What's inside my bag? I've got my glasses handy because you know I can't read. Alright, so quick video. So are we going to read this? Oh yeah. I will conquer. Game face. Hey, I was right. Sportiness, game face. Cool. I will conquer. Yes, I will. What I'm gonna conquer. Okay, I'm peeking inside, and the first thing is some lotion, some heavy cream. All right, perfect, because I really need it this year. I am like so dry, it's unbelievable. All right, so it is cake, rich vanilla shea butter. Oh God, let's smell it. Squeeze it. Oh, it's heavy. It's like it's thick. Oh, it smells so good, like vanilla. All right. That is awesome. All right. I love moisturizers because it's winter and I'm dying. Let's see what next in here is Dirty Little Secret. All right. Last thing I got from them was eyeshadow, and it was like in October. I really didn't like it. It made my eyes itch. Let's hope this is something better. Let's hope it's not the same. Whoa. All right. This is yet another eyeshadow. Please don't. Ooh, in a really pretty color. A reddish. Let's try it out. Let's swatch it. Oh, wow. That is amazing. Okay, it's coming across a lot more orange on camera than I see it. Maybe a different light. It's coming across a lot more orangey as I get close. Like, that's not what it looks like to me, but now I'm afraid when I wear it, is that what it's going to look like to you? So, all right. Really pretty. I hope it doesn't make my eyes all red, because, well, it will make my eyes red or orange, but not the inside. All right, let's see what's next. I actually really like that. I can't actually see myself wearing it, but I'm going to try. I'm gonna try. All right, what's next? I peeked inside. Oh, a contour palette. Fuck, that's fun. Contour palette. Why don't I show you one? It just got little. Almost dropped my contour palette. All right, we've got City Color Contour Palette. All right. I don't know what that's gonna look like, but let's just see what we got. Let's open it up. And it's very light. It's coming across. Let's see, it's right here. Kind of orangish, and then this is kind of much darker, but it doesn't, you know, it's not highly pigmented, so it could work. I hate highlighting. I feel like this is just going to make me look muddy. I'll try it, but oh, I didn't do the white. This is not even white. It's more like a. That's just a white, like white. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. All right, I'm guessing that's a bust. I don't even know what to do with that, but you know what? I give it a shot. City Color, use it as an eyeshadow. It's a nice transition color, right? All right, what's next? There are two more things in here. Let's grab for the one I've been waiting for. All right, pardon my hair. I heard there was a dry shampoo in there. They sent me a special email, so we're going to test out this dry shampoo. Orb, I don't know. Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. Jeez, I need that. All right, so let's see. I haven't washed my hair, and this is day 2. Yeah, yesterday I didn't wash my hair, and today I was gonna go wash my hair, but then I was like, phew, I can test out this dry shampoo. So let's do it. So let me look in the mirror. Like clearly it's like wet and needs some lift here. So let's do it. It smells really good. It smells really good. I didn't spray over on this side. Let's spray some over here. Ooh, I like broke it or something when it really went in there. All right, let's see what that's gonna do. All right, so let's see if we can take this from looking terrible to, it's really not bad, is it? Really should use it everywhere, but I really am going to go shower today. So I was just going to do a little test on it, and you can see, yeah, not bad. I am actually going to shower, so and wash my hair, so I don't need to use it all because I'm going to save that for another day. That's fun. Okay, I'm going to get a few uses out of that. That's pretty good. So that's not a bad thing. And last but not least, in my little bag is NYX. Is NYX something or other? NYX. There's a string hanging off my shirt. Did you see it? Oh, I have to cut that off. All right, and last in my bag is NYX Lingerie. I'm liking that. All right? Yeah. Okay, so I'm feeling it now. I'm feeling a little hand lotion to try on, or some lotion. I'm liking the lotion. I'm liking this. This is a wild thing, but okay. Contour palette, Dry shampoo, definitely get used, 100%. So, you know what, not too bad, Ipsy, not too bad, but I'm trying to struggle to open this up. Okay, got it open. All right, NYX Lingerie in Liply 07. All right, I like this. This is making me happy. Let's try it out and see. Let's swatch it somewhere. All right, cute. All right, I don't know that I have anywhere left to swatch on my hand. All right, that, oh, it's a little thick. That's right here. That is really nude. Like, I'm gonna look like I just put foundation on my lips, but I'm gonna like it. I'm gonna rock it. And maybe with, let's see, let's just smudge it out. It feels really soft. Oh, I think I'm gonna like that. See, it's not like completely matte, and I'm getting too old for like mattes. Oh. Anyway, all right, so that's my Ipsy bag. I got a cute bag. I've got lotion that I love. I've got lingerie. I've got a contour palette that pretty much sucks. I'm pretty certain of it, but I will try it. And plus, I suck at contouring, and I look all muddy. But I'm going to enjoy it. Hey, and you know what? My hair looks slightly better than it looked when we started, so that's, you know, win-win. And then some eyeshadow that hopefully won't make my eyes red. And it's kind of a wow freaking color. Look at that. I mean, I don't even know. I don't know. That might go to my daughter. But okay, it was fun. It was $10. Was it worth it this month? I have no idea. Probably not. For the fun it was. Unless that contour palette like does something. I don't know. I got 4 things I love. 1 questionable, cute little bag I'll probably throw my kids. Oh, it's like cushiony. You know what? This is perfect to throw in your kids' gym bag so that they can put their phone in it, and then gives it a little cushioning. Oh, that's a good idea. This is going in the soccer bag. All right, thanks for watching Melody Mills Toasted Blonde. I'm sorry if this video sucked. I promise I'll do better. Love ya.